Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove any screen protector or case that might block the sensor. Next, open Settings, tap Passwords and Security, then Fingerprint Unlock. Start the Add Fingerprint flow. You should place your finger flat on the sensor and lift when prompted, repositioning slightly each time so the phone captures edges. This builds a complete fingerprint map. Once done, you'll be ready for the next configuration step. Once the initial scans finish, refine enrollment by repeating placements at different angles. Aim for 3 to 5 partial scans that capture edges and pressure variations. Then make sure you enable fingerprint use for both screen lock and app lock in the fingerprint settings so unlocking and secure apps use the scan. Also set a robust backup PIN or pattern now. This matters because when the sensor fails or restarts, your backup unlock is required. To finish, test unlocking a few times using your primary registered finger and an alternate finger if you plan to share access. If the phone rejects your prints frequently, more than about 20% of attempts, re-register the fingerprint with careful edge captures. If things go wrong, clean the sensor with a soft cloth, restart the phone, then remove and re-enroll fingerprints. This fixes most recognition issues. If problems persist, check for software updates or reset biometric data as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.